Hey YouTube, it's Dory. It's been a while since you have seen me because I was away for several weeks, but I'm back now, and here I want to give to you an easy recipe with only 3 ingredients and a few seasonings. So good, let's do it.
This is a no sugar, no flour recipe. My name is Dory, over 80 pounds down. I follow Brightline Eating. Let's get started with easy frozen vegetables, a couple of eggs, and a few seasonings to make it taste flavorful with a little bit of mayo to give it a bit of creaminess to it. Now, this recipe is so simple and it's better enjoyed cold. I want you to think of it like this: prep it, cook it, enjoy it. This is a recipe for 1, and I eat it as a weight loss portion for lunch. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, please consider liking this video and subscribing and hitting the bell to get notifications on my upcoming videos.
Psst, you want to learn how to make a fabulously delicious blueberry breakfast bake? I got you. Tap up there.